Hello YouTube! Here I have bunch of my leather crafts ready to be dispatched to my customers across the world, but just before I want to take a closer look at them. If you would like to order any wallet or card holder, links in video description down below. For choosing colors, best way is to take a look at my Instagram. I'm posting here daily my actual crafts. Okay, let's start with these wallets. Quite classic Bifold wallets. Here I have two versions of this wallet. Vegetable tanned Buttero leather in black color with Havana brown stitching, and semi-shell Cordovan version where interior is veg tan Buttero leather in Foresta color and exterior is Horween Shell Cordovan intense blue color, and the wallet stitched with the dark green thread. I do not offer a full shell Cordovan version of this wallet because it would be too thick. A shell Cordovan thickness is very uneven and it's up to 2 millimeters. This wallet consists of 4 layers of leather, so it would be a bit of a brick in a pocket even without cards. Wallet itself has 4 card pockets and 2 hidden slots. Also slot for bills. Size is 9 to 12 centimeters when folded. Next I have here couple of my best-selling card holders. Also one vegetable tanned Buttero leather in blue color with yellow stitching, and shell Cordovan version black color with red stitching. Absolutely simple minimalistic card holder with 2 slots for several cards and a slot for folded bills. If you would like to make such a card holder by yourself, PDF pattern also available, links in video description. Here is next wallet I want to show you. This wrap wallet or maybe card holder. Slot for cards inside and a slot for bills which wraps around. And this fixed with the snap button. This particular card holder is made of vegetable tanned Pueblo leather in olive color and stitched with the yellow thread. PDF template for this card holder is also available. Next one, this simple sleeve card holder in Horween Shell Cordovan bourbon color with dark green stitching. Perfect for few cards and a few folded bills to carry. This hole in bottom really helps to get quick access to cards by pushing them out. And finally my latest design, this flap wallet. Black Pueblo leather with the red stitching. Here is 2 slots for your cards and cash. Before releasing new design, I always make final product version and test it by myself. I like this wallet so much but it became my main wallet for now. Here it is. In Pueblo Wedge Tan leather, bone and hortensia color. You can see such a nice patina already started to developing. PDF pattern also available, links in video description. I'm going to pack and dispatch these wallets and card holders. If you are interested in any of my crafts or PDF templates of these card holders and wallets, find the links below in video description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye!